Signs of good health. Signs of good health.
Good health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being where an individual is free from illness, injury, and other health problems. While it can vary from person to person, there are some common signs and indicators of good health. These signs include physical fitness, adequate energy levels and stamina for daily activities, maintaining a healthy body weight and body composition, strong and functional muscles and joints, good posture and flexibility, normal vital signs, stable blood pressure within a healthy range, regular heart rate and rhythm, normal body temperature, steady breathing rate, healthy skin, clear and radiant skin without rashes or unusual discolorations, adequate hydration, leading to moist and supple skin, wound healing without complications, proper nutrition, a balanced diet that provides all essential nutrients, adequate hydration, maintaining a healthy weight, no signs of nutritional deficiencies, mental well-being, positive and stable mood, adequate stress management and coping skills, good mental clarity and cognitive function, adequate sleep and rest, regular physical activity, engaging in regular exercise and physical activity, maintaining cardiovascular fitness, achieving and maintaining a healthy body composition, emotional well-being, a sense of happiness, contentment, and emotional resilience, positive relationships and a strong support system, effective communication and problem-solving skills, social well-being, healthy social interactions and relationships, a sense of belonging to a community or group, participation in social and recreational activities, regular medical checkups, regular visits to a healthcare provider for preventive care, compliance with recommended screenings and vaccinations, early detection and management of health issues, absence of chronic illness, not having chronic health conditions or diseases, effective management of existing health conditions. It's important to note that good health is a holistic concept that encompasses physical, mental, and social aspects of well-being. Everyone's definition of good health may vary, but these signs can serve as general indicators of a healthy lifestyle and overall well-being. It's also essential to consult with a healthcare professional for a more personalized assessment of your health.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.